Everyone for Egana SMTVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe. Turning on notifications so that anytime the video gets away, a shame usambe kebi when your notification. Everyone for wow, person support the program no so no. Na best number our screen so your MTN number. I didn't know so can Harris. But me send you a momo or they are support the program no. Or they are motivate you say we are doing a good work. Everyone for full sense no. Say I catch them say John Mahama knows nothing about fuel pricing. And it's a fuel barrel of fuel no, internationally, crude oil no, a co-former, a bit heavy effect, a pump, a Ghana ha. The same way be heavy effect, a US, be heavy effect for Canada, Germany, France, England, Scotland, Wales. Mention them. That is how the system works. But because John Mahama ni NDC penny for himself, our full soldiers are so ignorant indeed. They take all of us Ghanaians, mix us with their full soldiers, and try to put us in one basket. In the propaganda. Trying to create the impression as though say Mahama na ye be far fuel price no. Meanwhile, they know very well say fuel price no. Mahama nim hushi. Now, if you are telling me say fuel no come for ma, me John Mahama credit now. And there fuel no fuel born by cost row, you see from maybe next week, you know. Now cost row no over 10 cities and 11 cities no. And I say I blame John Mahama. So you're incompetent in here. And the fuel price now move here they say above from no. And to me I survive impo. Now, one of the main reasons why the fuel price is going up is the cedi has started depreciating. Say now if you say sky or ni gold or no, a idea be on to me use it forever and ever. Omunim say the more I'm using, the more I say. And the foreign reserve, I have 5 billion. I could find this 2 or no. I got time in I could share forest. Gold I will hold 18 tons. I could tell some share forest mono. New year and new in every year. No. South area, the country is not doing business. The country is not exporting. If you are not exporting, you cannot get foreign exchange. And the city is depreciating, and now a reflective of fuel born. And once a reflective of fuel born, a reflective of transport fare. From transport fare, no, a better price of goods and services. From prices of goods and services, you know, now inflation figures now start to rising. And we only answer by for this is the future ahead of Ghana. Actually, yes, I me bonima on mine no, but we are truthful projections, and these are the things that your mama will not tell you. Actually, by May, June, our economy will not be in a good place. Unless John Mahama and Ato Forsen start doing the right things, and yet the kind of palliative care our my economy. Unless they go back to the very basis that Akufo-Addo and Mahmoud Bawumia started implementing. But if they depart from it like the way they are doing right now, trouble is ahead. But however they manage this country, I say, yeah, Munkai say they will be held accountable one day. And they catch them more.
For just $1,000. And today he has to report it because of police issue. He's not here. And you are saying we will take it. Hey, you have to pay me. Those people, we don't trust them. Even when our leaders came out, they were trying to sugarcoat what the leaders will say. It won't happen that way. We want our monies and we want to conquer something. If they want us to believe them, they should put it into writing and then they will sign. We want to know the person who will sign. The person is even eligible to sign. That's at the end of this month. Yes, that's at the end of this month we'll get our money. If not, we are not going to agree to anything. We are tired. I mean, we've been patient for how long? We can't hold it anymore. Let's celebrate, please. Come on.
Last week Friday, something is
Oh, come on, please. What is? We are Ghanaians. We are not foreigners, please. Right now, a colleague of mine, he borrowed 1,000 Ghana cedis to rent his apartment in the district. Now he has been arrested because of he borrowed the money because of NADMO, 1,000 cedis. Now, as I'm speaking now, he's in the cell. Please, we need our money. I've worked for 26 months now, no salary. Why?
26 months.
Please, we have worked for it. We are not
26 months.
Please. I'm begging Mr. President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Please, he's our father. Please, he should come into this issue and help us. Please, our father, we are helping. We are begging you, His Excellency, please.
Ebusia, 26 months. Oh, this is the record of John Mahama. 26 months. That is 2 years and some months. And yeah, into such a person, now our culture say, almost 24-hour economy job, 133. Now, Kofua Tia, same way I got to Obama John Dramani Mahama. We are not serious. Any part 26 months on Tiaoka any day. Share and on Aquane can 1,000 cities. As at that time, 1,000 cities ground tia 26 months. Na Nipani ye Juma 26 months. Dear pan of any rent. A dear no on one bushia. It's not to no enjoy ezu eza. Or be no ezu eza. And then they are much indeed from that side. And they are back and omodinam. The record of John Mahama is seen. And yes, 6 million people, no, they cannot reason behind. We say, I go in a track record, they know, and yet the way I go with Tennessee or bar, the same thing will be happening. The same thing will be happening. The record in yet, share, baby, I could be
your mama.
yeah,
we pampered to become
We are supposed to go to a class with hunger and teach the child. Before we vacated, we were taught about our mental well-being. Ask yourself, they told us one thing, teacher burnout. Do you know some of the courses?
What question me?
You wake up from the house, you go to the school, and you take him Kivo Gari to go and teach. You come back, Kivo Gari, and you have to call your friends. It's not sad.
Yeah, what's that? From 2012 to 2015 now. Or buy no. Yeah, 2015 or buy no. 2020 2015.
Me call your mama at this. What's it mean? I would try. Call what?
Host not to a mess, and castle Yabutin Pato, a host in different before the corners of Pato. Sister not to Suhono. Miss Honest Council saying Yabutin.
It is possible. I found something
no, what to on host, Messi.
What is so? Ha!
Enti o hwe papa John Dram onondo say e pase mo ho nkyeremo in terms of marketia hwe obi a owotema a oye leader pa no ebusua onto na ketua mu ne nkofo no mo ye adwuma no onto marketia mu 60%. Na o metete mo de so hwe workers o mo ye adwuma edisika ba o man mu mo no what wa mo sa amount of money no wa mo 60% increment. Nemo no nkrofo no mote office no mabobo tie na omo ye corruption no and what to market you
you can say Randia be kwasia we Randia be we kwasia we
not to market you me say me call platform me so because platform no mo ye argument and I miss number akwe and so akwe Nɛxt and I busa and say do you know how many a year percentage of the two are buying presidential way for them the two so mo 60% no mo de munya he and also boss yeah, but they do 9% no, 5% of the money. And I'm saying, hey, more modisika, na mo share patient, more ankasa more on the ground, na mo ye juma disika bre abaye no. Once about 5%. And I'm going to go office one more 60%. You see, they don't think about the people of Ghana. And go for ankasa mo to aba mo be this no, mo to aba ni wi a. I don't know how. Me name say you no mo dey go for
we am na call same James kwasia we, abua we. Sami dey bad.
Me name say go for no drone no mo dey omo. And from 2012 to 2015, no, Mahama omotimi salary nkofo eji omo salary to 26 good months. Ni ntua nkofo na nkofo su ama he enipa te no be dey dance no say ne na funi because of rent into ye to bus for 2 weeks ye to mu for 2 weeks oh onye money bia just pay him his money keke no mahama say dabi go through the hell na me ngasa me say me do amaso oh and na onim the every say me say obaye na odi 2024 abato no o win ye no me catch madam we say he o de mahama be o de hwe obo strikes a hold be baso because of unpaid incomes and salaries ampa oh na nurses for ba obedi su na efe ne say ya no mvui omo na me say mo nurses mo de aketua e na omo start ball ko jan
Whenever you come, you tell us you are in our shoes. You can never be in my shoes. You don't know what I'm going through. I'm teaching enough, and I'm still here. If I put my money, who does that?
there we are also give me my money. give me my money. Now,
are you expecting say a bindable pam randia be cocoa board? See you.
You see, and you see, we don't go potting because almost a cocoa
Marketing
cocoa board no more yakoshe finance I say.
Okay.
And you know the boss and the finance minister. It just or see obey you will be if you are a finance minister.
I said your mama pam at 2 forcing.
Cocoa board no sikana omokoton cocoa no e man be good cocoa board for accounts mo eba finance it you know cocoa board CEO no the boss and the finance minister
but say CEO one year dia juma na hye wonsa say cocoa no cotton na world market price akosoro one cotton wo so wo twen say be sen akosoro bio wo to chacha o peloto nti wo to chacha na a drop it na drop wie na wo koton a unya sika project ye no unya sika ntwa farmers no ka wo be ka say the finance minister de bone ben wa ye
bro hene announcement hene na de buy
finance minister
ma de tro no de buy bro hene mesrawo nkomo ye di fi baby na de abedu me ka kire ose ye cocoa law kire say cocoa board eko declare profit 1 2 cocoa no ye kokoton a
ye
diskani ba efe gu Bank of Ghana so what you say be gu aban ho na cocoa board na kasa no wo CEO no wo na wo in charge of day to day administration and into mo prepare mo budget na mo de mo budget na call for approval as an you release this car mo pay den e de amamo na nipa o ma wo approval no e finance minister it would the day to day administration na wo ye ho adwuma but when it come to major decisions finance minister and they take it but what you want to say into decision we no and you see we no thing na mo no ne bot e konya ne so and then ma boni we ni obudi sam we say ya den abaso na say the boss on call ya so do sir because want to be taking major decision
right
and ninti no na mo call cabinet and adwo no say round ya be wan ko bi eno amanajo amachimu omote cabinet wa omotutu bros de mo no so oni hobi eye ne boss ne kokko gina mu eno no nya akukuduro ene ne waba bonten say that here so that should tell you say Randia be nyono ne ye final decision maker in the cocoa industry. He's the chief executive officer who is in charge of the day-to-day administration of the industry. But in the boss any ato and ninti si ebetimi apia obias in chain say want to turn niema yia na say want abrabase a na say nitiri mo den SMPP aban na we describe you say ye nwi nipa ho no a na say this nipa no ye den eto nchen na be adwoma ama ewu ni finance minister foforo a obetumi de na ba obetumi atene mase na wate kokko akuafo sun omo bre omo yaw kokko bro ine me sesa wakokoko afuom e na wokote kokko panyi a nke nde ye te kokko buo so awati ka do sam ye nyina beguti kwan omo faso e bre e tie kokko fisoro e san sesa ya de egu kantem e hihye Wellington boot e bi kura nhye mpaboa ye wi obi o de ne ye ne manyina ba betwa ho ahia because eno ne abusua ne sika na said there was what so 1,000 cedis in eachiri enti Ghana kokko akuani onkonkoda o to be na ena ye okrom hanom so no bebre nsu ntumi nyeden enna e de kire se en kokko akuafo ma no bebre gugu universities ni wa hanom ɛna school fees nso akokɔ soro na obi ɛba school fees no yɛfa sɛ yɛ 3,500 na sɛ woba bɛti ni koko buo no so 1,000 cedis a bro what I say say University of Ghana so no school fees no range is around 3,000 something it is any papa be lose 2,000 cedis a
them so ntumi twa fees no
asam no enunti na nye me krom ana co producing areas na enkwa na ebe abesofa na mum mmofra
our cascading effect
me nam ka kire wo ɛna ɔmo do ɔmo yerenom koko akuafo ɔmo do ɔmo yerenom abɛtena nkran ha ɔmo di dwa a ɔtɔn di koko a hɔ disika ɛba bɛsɔ ne yere ase a ebi akɔgyegye besia ɔmo nyina bɛka wɔn ɛna koko akuafo no so onyanya ne koko no begu ɔpepepa no wa start kɔgye besia a wɔsan de yɛ nafuo no akɔgye bi de etuatua ne ka because wonim sɛ de tie bia no ɛboɔ no bɛba ɛmɛ yɛ ho ayɛ dan atɔyɛ ɛno nti koko akuani bia ɔkɔgye besia bia no sese wɔbɔka because when you say nyehwe kra no old price in the sabe den ebeka because abribia no price no ye den ye to so de man
okay
and nti e no aba be your how apart from that baby om ko free niema and baby om ko kwaje bisia na gaza so o how aba honom because om nyina ye Ghana fo o mate se bo na ye den akofem and nti se wo na kokokua ni bi do ka o baba besu agu so se mintumi ma metuaka ni esu agu so no na wo so say de me so de na masan akwa so biem akofa de ma de aba